Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of Learning English with NDM. I'm your host, Nadim, and I want to thank you, yes, you, for choosing to spend your time here, learning, growing, and improving your English skills with me. Let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you sometimes know the words, but they just don't come out when you need them? Do you translate in your head and then freeze? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, I promise this episode is going to help you a lot. Today's topic is 5 proven tips to speak English fluently, and these are practical, real-life things you can start doing today. Not next month, not next year, but right now. But before we begin, let me remind you, if you really want to learn English, improve your fluency, and build confidence, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join our growing family of learners from all over the world. Hit that subscribe button and don't miss any episode. Why is speaking English so hard sometimes? Let's be real, speaking English is not always easy, right? Even after learning vocabulary, grammar, tenses, you still hesitate when it's time to speak. I've been there too. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was first learning to speak confidently in public, I would rehearse sentences in my head. But when I spoke out loud, I got stuck. I felt like people were judging my grammar or my accent. And that fear, it made me go quiet. I would avoid speaking even when I had something smart to say. But here's the truth. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about comfort, confidence, and practice. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there. Tip 1. Think in English. All right, tip number 1 is think in English. This is one of the most powerful changes you can make. Most of us think in our native language, Bangla, Hindi, Arabic, Spanish, and then we translate in our head before speaking. That causes delays, confusion, and mistakes. Here's a small example. You want to say, I need water, but in your head you're thinking, in your native language. Then you're translating it, and by the time you're ready, the conversation has already moved on. What to do instead? Train your brain to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts like, I am walking to the bus stop. This tea tastes good. It's going to rain today. Daily practice. Tip: every morning or evening, take 5 minutes to just sit quietly and think in English. No writing, no speaking, just thinking. Try it for 7 days and see the difference. Tip 2, speak daily, even alone. Tip number 2 is something people often ignore. Speak English every single day, even if you're alone. I know what you're thinking. But Nadim, I don't have anyone to practice with. Guess what? You don't need anyone. You can be your own speaking partner. Mirror practice. Stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. You can say, exclamation mark, hello, exclamation mark. My name is Nadim. Today I am going to the market. I feel happy because I'm learning new words. I made a mistake, but it's okay. I'm learning. The mirror helps you become more aware of your expressions, your tone, and your body language. It builds confidence. Record yourself. Another option, use your phone. Just press record and speak for 1 to 2 minutes every day. Talk about anything, your day, your dream job, what you ate. Then listen to your recording. Notice where you're pausing. Were you too fast? Too slow? Did you say a lot? Learn from it. Tip 3, listen more to speak better. Tip number 3 might surprise you. To speak well, you need to listen more. Let me explain. Have you noticed how babies learn? They don't start speaking immediately. They spend months just listening. They hear sounds, tones, sentences, and slowly they start repeating. You can do the same. What to listen to? Podcasts like this one, English YouTubers, English audiobooks, movies and TV shows with subtitles, English songs. Start with slow ones like Beatles or Adele. Shadowing practice. This is an awesome method. Choose a 1-minute video clip. Listen to the speaker and try to repeat immediately after them, like a shadow. Match their tone, speed, and emotion. Do this daily, and your pronunciation and rhythm will improve fast. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Tip 4 is a game changer. Stop memorizing individual words. Start learning full phrases. Why? Because when we speak, we don't use words one by one. We use chunks. Native speakers say, "How are you doing?" "Can I get a coffee, please?" "I'm not sure about that." Learning only coffee, please, or get won't help you speak naturally, but learning full expressions will. Flashcard tip. Make flashcards with common expressions. On one side, "I'm looking forward to it." On the other, meaning plus example. Try this. "Can you give me a hand?" Meaning, "Can you help me?" Example, "I need to move this table. Can you give me a hand?" Practice these phrases and you'll sound more fluent and natural. Tip 5 is, don't walk alone. Join the English-speaking community. If you have a friend who's also learning English, set a 10-minute talk session daily. Only English. Pick a topic like your favorite movie, food, or recent news and discuss. No partner, no problem. You can join Facebook English learning groups, language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk, Discord groups, or just leave comments on my videos. I reply to as many as I can. The key is this: use English in real conversations, even if you make mistakes, because that's how we learn. Summary Plus, call to action. Let's quickly review everything we've learned today. Tip 1, think in English. Tip 2, speak every day, even if you're alone. Tip 3, listen more and use shadowing. Tip 4, learn phrases, not just words. Tip 5, speak with a partner or join a community. So here's your challenge. Pick one tip and apply it today. Just one. Then come back to the comment section and tell me, which one did you choose? I want to hear from you. And hey, if this episode helped you, show some love by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this podcast with a friend. Learning English with NDM, reminding you, fluency is built daily. Progress comes with practice. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care and bye for now.